So after the origin and conduction of heartbeat, next is blood pressure, that is BP, a very common word that we are going to use in our day-to-day life. Nowadays, after 18 years or after 20 years, whenever we're going to the clinic or whenever we're going to the hospitals, initially what the doctors will do, we're going to check our blood pressure. We're going to verify our blood pressure, whether it is normal or it is less or it is more. So what is this blood pressure? ರಕ್ತದ ಒತ್ತಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So what is this blood pressure? Blood pressure is also called arterial pressure. It can be defined as the lateral pressure or the force. It is defined as the lateral pressure or the force exerted by the blood on the wall of the arteries during pumping mechanism is called blood pressure. So it is also referred as arterial pressure. I will repeat the definition. Blood pressure is defined as the lateral pressure or the force exerted by the blood on the wall of the arteries during pumping action. During pumping of blood is called the blood pressure or arterial blood pressure. So this blood pressure during pumping of blood, there are 4 types of pressures are recognized. During pumping action, there are 4 types of pressures are recognized. And those 4 types of pressures are systolic pressure, that is SP, diastolic pressure, that is DP, then mean pressure, that is MP, and pulse pressure, that is PP. So what are these pressures now? Systolic pressure. Systolic pressure means the maximum pressure during systole. Systolic pressure in the sense it is the maximum pressure during systole is called systolic pressure. Diastolic pressure means it is the minimum pressure during diastole. Yes, it is quite common. It is as you means during systole the pressure is more, so it is maximum pressure. During diastole the pressure is less, it is diastolic pressure. Then pulse pressure. Pulse pressure means the difference between the systolic pressure and the diastolic pressure. The difference between the systolic pressure and the diastolic pressure. And mean pressure, the arithmetic mean of systolic pressure and diastolic pressure. Understand? Systolic pressure, maximum pressure during systole. Diastolic pressure, minimum pressure during diastole. Pulse pressure, difference between SP and DP. Mean pressure, arithmetic mean of SP and DP. So the relation between SP, DP and PP is in adult human beings, in a normal person, is in the ratio of 3:2:1. 3:2:1 means SP is 120 mm of Hg, DP is 80 mm of Hg, and PP is 40 mm of Hg. This is 3:2:1. That is the relation. And we can, the doctors or the physiologist will write BP is equal to SP by DP. BP is equal to SP by DP means it is the ratio of SP and DP. So in case of blood pressure, there are two conditions. One is high blood pressure, hypertension. Another one is low blood pressure, hypotension. Before going to that, let us know what is the normal range of SP and DP in human beings. In case of the adult human, SP varies between 110 to 145 mm of Hg. 110 to 145 mm of Hg, and DP varies between 70 to 90 mm of Hg or 95 mm of Hg. That is the range. That is 110 to 145 SP, 70 to 90 or 95 DP. So normal value of BP is 120 by 80 in adult human beings. Normal value of BP is 120 by 80. So let us come to these two conditions, hypertension and hypotension. Hypertension, where SP is more than 150 mm of Hg and DP is more than 100 mm of Hg. SP is more than 150 mm of Hg and DP is more than 100 mm of Hg. That condition is called high BP or hypertension. High BP or hypertension. It is mainly due to certain conditions in our body, certain diseased conditions or certain abnormal conditions in our body, like kidney disorders, arteriosclerosis, that is hardening of arteries, obesity, body fatness, stress, smoking. Then in some cases, in most of the cases, it is hereditary also. In case of high blood pressure, hypertension. Hypotension or low blood pressure, where SP is less than 100 mm of Hg, DP is less than 50 mm of Hg. SP is less than 100 mm of Hg, DP is less than 50 mm of Hg. This is called hypotension. It may arise during blood loss, during accidents, during anemic conditions, during operation, in operation theaters, so that the doctors will going to